Hey everyone, and welcome. So you're using AI to get that all-important competitive edge for your business. That's fantastic. But what happens when that edge becomes your single biggest vulnerability? Today, we're going to break down the super complex world of AI data security into a simple, actionable guide. The goal? To help you protect what matters most. Let's get right into it. This quote right here, it absolutely nails it. See, a single weak spot can completely wipe out all the time, money, and effort you've poured into your AI. We're not just talking about someone stealing a list of customer names anymore. Oh no, we're talking about a whole new kind of threat that can poison your models from the inside out and turn your AI against your own business. This is about protecting the very heart of your company. So, we've got a really clear roadmap for you today. First, we'll pinpoint exactly what these new security problems are that AI brings to the table. Then, we'll get into the good stuff, how to lock down your data and protect your live AI systems. After that, we'll cover how to properly check out your AI partners. And finally, we'll wrap it all up with a practical action plan you can start using pretty much immediately. All right, let's dive into the problem itself. Because securing an AI is not, and I repeat, not, like securing a normal website or a database. An AI can be tricked, you know? It can be fooled into spitting out sensitive information or making just disastrous decisions. And it can do all of this without tripping any of your traditional security alarms. It really is a whole new ballgame. We'll kick things off with a threat that probably sounds familiar, the classic data breach. But in the world of AI, the fallout is so much worse. See, when your training data gets stolen, it's not just a list of records at risk. It's the actual blueprint of your AI's brain. A breach like this can literally cripple your AI's performance for years. Now imagine this. You spend a small fortune, months or even years, developing this incredible, game-changing AI model, only to have a competitor steal the whole thing and launch a rival product practically overnight. That's model theft. It's like having your company's most secret, valuable recipe stolen and posted on the internet for everyone to see. Okay, this next one it's just devious. With model poisoning, attackers don't just steal your data, they subtly poison it. Think about a cybercriminal secretly teaching your fraud detection AI to ignore their own fraudulent transactions. Your AI literally becomes their accomplice, and you might have no idea it's even happening until it's way, way too late. And what if someone could actively fool your AI while it's running? Well, that's called an adversarial attack. It's kind of like a magician using an optical illusion to fool a security camera. The attacker creates this special little piece of data that looks totally normal to you and me, but it causes the AI to make a huge, critical mistake. It's a direct assault on the AI's ability to think. Let's be real. You're probably not building your entire AI system from scratch, right? You're using tools and platforms from other companies, and that's a smart move. But it also means that every single one of those partners is a potential backdoor into your business. A security problem on their end can very quickly become a business-ending crisis on yours. And finally, let's talk about the pipes, the connections that link your AI to everything else in your business. These connections are called APIs, and they are so often the most overlooked security risk. A poorly secured API is literally like leaving the back door to your office wide open with a welcome mat out for attackers. Okay, so we've laid out the dangers. That's the scary part. Now let's talk about solutions. And we have to start with the most important piece of the puzzle, your data. If data is the fuel that powers your AI, then we need to make sure that fuel tank is basically a fortress. Protecting your training data really boils down to 4 key ideas. First, you need strict access control. I mean, sure, your data scientists need access, but does your marketing team? Probably not. Second, encrypt everything, everywhere. Think of it as a digital safe for your data. Third, practice data minimization. Seriously, if you don't need it, don't collect it. And last, use secure storage. Your most sensitive data should never, ever live on a developer's laptop. It belongs in a hardened, dedicated system, period. All right, here's a simple checklist you can take back to your team, like today. Just go through these questions one by one. And anytime you get a no, well, that's your new top priority. This isn't about getting to perfect security overnight. It's about taking smart, deliberate steps to protect your business right now. So, once your data is locked down and your model is all trained up, the next job is to protect the finished product. We're talking about the live AI that's out in the world, doing its thing, interacting with customers, making real-time decisions. This, my friends, is where the rubber meets the road. It is so important to understand the difference here between securing your data and securing your model. Think of it this way.
Securing your data is like protecting the raw ingredients for an expensive, fancy meal. Securing your model is like guarding the secret recipe and the final dish itself. You absolutely need to protect both.
So how do we actually protect the model? Well, there are three main ways. First is model versioning. You've got to treat your AI models just like software, with tight controls over any changes. Second, API security. Use strong authentication and something called rate limiting, which basically just stops attackers from spamming your AI with requests. And third, model hardening. This means checking all the data that comes in, and for really important decisions, making sure there's always a human in the loop. Like we said, you're probably not building all this stuff in a vacuum. You're working with vendors, with partners, and that means your security is only as strong as the weakest link in that whole chain. So let's talk about how you manage that risk. Before you even think about signing a contract with an AI vendor, you have to do your homework. Ask them the tough questions. Are you going to use my data to train your other models? What encryption standards are you using? Can you show me proof of your security, like a SOC 2 report? And maybe most importantly, what's your exact plan if you guys get breached? And hey, don't just take their word for it. Get it all in writing. Your contract needs to be crystal clear. It has to say your data will not be used for anything else. It should spell out the exact security measures they're going to use. It needs to define who's on the hook if there's a breach, and it absolutely must guarantee that you can get your data out easily and completely if you decide to leave. Wow, okay, we've covered a lot of ground. From the crazy new threats to securing your data, your models, your partnerships, the whole shebang. So now let's boil all of that down into a simple, straightforward action plan you can start working on right away. Look, if you walk away with nothing else from this, please remember these four things. They are the absolute foundation of good security, and they'll protect you from the vast majority of common attacks. Encrypt your data. Use strong authentication. Keep detailed access logs, and do regular secure backups. Get these four things right, and you are well on your way. But remember, technology is only half the battle. You have to build a culture of security. That means training your team all the time. It means designing your systems so that the secure way is also the easy way. And crucially, it means giving someone clear ownership of security. You know that saying, when everyone is responsible, no one is? It's true. Make security someone's actual job and give them what they need to succeed. Of course, none of this is free, right? It takes a real commitment. As a rule of thumb, you should plan to set aside about 10 to 15% of your total AI budget just for security. And don't think of it as a cost. It's not. It's an insurance policy that protects one of your most valuable assets. You have to build it into the budget from day one. So, we'll leave you with this one last question to think about. Your AI can be the engine that launches your business into the stratosphere. But without a solid security plan, that exact same engine can become a catastrophic liability. The future of your business really does depend on the choices you're making about security today. The ball's in your court.